As popularly as we term it, the Bollywood films are highly classified into masala film categories rather than quality cinema that can catch up with the excellence of Hollywood. However, speaking about quality cinema, we don't have to go to any other country to look for the same. We have got the best film industry in our own country. Yes, the Malayalam film industry. That one film industry which is currently blooming with veteran and young artists and storytellers. Being said that, I don't mean to say that Bollywood shouldn't focus on the commercial aspect of a film. However, there have been good examples in the past as well as in the present that a good script with good direction can deliver great commercially successful films. So here are a few lessons that I believe that Bollywood should learn from the Malayalam film industry in their quest to create quality cinema that educates, entertains and empowers the audience. Number 1. The script should be valued more than the stars. Bollywood film relies more on stars, big banner productions and post-promotions. The script is hardly considered as an essential factor if we can rope in Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan or Akshay Kumar. However, that's not the case with the Malayalam film industry. Even though the stardom of Mammootty and Mohanlal is spread across all the industries, but these two megastars are only approached when a certain role fits them. Whether it's movies like Drishyam or Munna these two megastars forego their ego and they show their prowess in acting as the script demands. However, it is rarely seen in the Bollywood where the script is doctored as per the star demands just to make him or her act in the movie. Number 2. Offer a realistic approach while making a film. Since the 90s, Bollywood has been following the trend of producing larger-than-life cinema, which is nowhere close to reality. There is no doubt that music and songs are the heart of Indian cinema. However, overthrowing the whole budget to shoot a 5-minute dream song sequence in foreign countries is not wise enough as people are already getting bored of it. Instead, Bollywood should take inspiration from the Malayalam film industry, which keeps it as real as possible by using local places for major outdoor shoots and song sequences. Just watch the song called Chinnamma Adi from the movie Oppam and you will get an idea of what realistic beauty of cinema looks like. It's time for Bollywood to stop luring the public into charm of foreign countries and focus more on the reality. Number 3. Low budget, high returns. Although songs and music are considered to be an essential factor of a Bollywood movie, but that's not the only thing that makes a good movie. Spending crores of rupees for a song sequence or building sets for a movie simply limits one's imagination and thinking power. Each and every aspect of a film production is then limited to format set only. However, low budget can give the directors a blank canvas to produce a movie with his own imagination seeking the resources that are available around the corner. One of the prime directors, Mr. Anurag Kashyap, in one of his interviews said that low budget actually helps him to experiment more. Hence we see a varied theme in all of his movies and they are drawn merely of his imagination. A similar trend is also seen in the Malayalam film industry where a lot of emphasis is put on the script and the budget and the locations are set around it. Films like Ennu Ninte Moideen are the examples of low budget films that are shot on realistic locations. But the box office collections are much higher than expectations. Just watch this movie and you will get an idea that India is far more beautiful than you think. So what Bollywood should learn is the fact that it's not about spending crores of rupees, but it's about getting optimum results from limited money and resources, and the Malayalam film industry is a perfect inspiration. Number 4. Writers are the real heroes of the film. The reason why Hollywood still remains the hub of artistic cinema is because they value their writers more than it's done in Bollywood. For them, writers are the real heroes and the director and the lead actors are only the supporting cast who bring the story to the real life. And that's the reason why their stories are more heart-touching and realistic. A similar trend is also seen in the Malayalam film industry where a lot of emphasis is put on the story. Even the stars do not interfere with the script and the writer is given due credit for his or her contribution. That's the reason why we see a lot of Malayalam films getting released year after year with a strong plot and realistic characters. It's high time that Bollywood learns this trade secret because after a while people will get bored of the stars, but they will never get fed up of the new storylines and the plots in every movie. Number 5. No ego in cinema. Ego clashes are very common when two people come together and that's common everywhere in the world. Ego clashes are very common in the Bollywood as well as the Malayalam film industry. Yet the stars of our industry let down their ego when it comes to the production of a movie they have signed for. Best examples can be seen from movies like 2020 and Christian Brothers, and also in new generation movies like Bangalore Days, where some of the biggest then and now names have come together to give some of the worth watching movies for all their fans. In Bollywood, it is nearly impossible to bring all the three Khans together thanks to their ego. Stars in Bollywood should understand that they are here because of the art of cinema, and there is nobody bigger than cinema. Number 6. Films have the power to break barriers. Films are used as a medium to tell story visually. Oftentimes they are used as a medium to send out social messages that helps to break social barriers. Malayalam films have been greatly trying to explore such social themes that we can relate to our social life. For a long time they have been trying to show us a new vision that is enough to develop that awareness and drive change in the society towards the cause. Until date they have touched topics like religion, caste, race, gender, adultery and other sensitive and controversial topics that deserves our attention. The idea is to educate the people and to empower them towards a new India without any hypocrisy or prejudice. And that is something we hardly lack in the Bollywood movies, as every second movie portrays the same classical romantic story. Number 7. Youngsters can fill the void of inexperience. Bollywood is a movie industry that launches a lot of young and budding actors every year. It is nearly impossible for an outsider to get into the Bollywood film industry, so the star kids were usually getting launched without their skills getting considered. Whereas the Malayalam film industry sets a whole new standard by relying completely on youngsters between the age group of 25 to 30. A lot of opportunities are available for everyone through various auditions, and outsiders also welcome into the industry on a skills basis. I'm not denying that youngsters aren't given opportunities in the Bollywood. However, the freedom of exposure that youngsters get in our industry is completely opposite. In Bollywood, youngsters are constantly under the radar, while a youngster of the Malayalam film industry is often left free under the guidance of their own passion for the art of cinema without any pressure of commercial goals. And that's the reason that movies like Premam are found in the Malayalam film industry rather than Bollywood.
Step easy.
Number 8. Create strong rules for women just like men. Although this has changed in the recent times with movies like Mary Kom, Mardani, Piku, Queen, etc., but Bollywood is not still able to create stronger rules for women just like men. Look at the Malayalam film industry for instance, where women characters are not just added for glamour quotient, romantic angles or item songs, but they are spearheading the story further as well. Look at movies like Munnarippu, Milli, 22 Female Kottayam, etc. These movies highly emphasize on bringing out or building female characters closer to real life rather than portraying them as mere glamour dolls. Bollywood should look to create such stronger roles for women which anyone watching the movie can relate to. Number 9. Characters must be real, not larger than life. Bollywood movies are responsible for creating larger than life characters, which makes you wonder if it has got any connection with the real life. For example, a typical Bollywood movie on a college life would portray rich life, expensive cars, consumption of alcohol, intoxicants, happy relationships, big campuses, etc. Those of us who have been to college know that the case is completely opposite. On the other hand, a Malayalam film on a college life would portray simple life and the basics of everything that matches exactly with the real life. Most Bollywood college life movies are completely the opposite and gives the young minds a wrong perception about college. But Malayalam movies exactly shows the reality. And the movies that feature characters close to reality are definitely the ones that strike close to our heart and they remain there for eternity. And the Malayalam film industry masters this art better than anyone else. India on an average produces 2000 films in 20 languages every year. But even after producing so many good films, we haven't won even a single Oscar award under the best film category. So who is responsible for this? Well, believe it or not, we are the ones who are responsible. Bollywood has become the face of Indian cinema that other good films do not even make it to the nominations. No Kapoor, Johar or Chopra will decide what you should watch. The power of choice lies in your hands. So choose to watch only those films that deserve to be watched, the ones that have got quality and the ones that you would love to see more. Today the power of internet has given me the power to share these facts with you guys. And now I want you to use your power. The power of choice to choose what to watch and what to discard. And when you and me use the power of choice in the most appropriate way, is the time that Indian films would stand second to none at the Oscar Awards. Let the revolution begin and let's make it happen.